ever wondered what makes Indian cuisine so diverse and unique? It's the symphony of flavors, the richness of spices, and the variety that each region brings to the table. In this journey, we'll explore 6 popular Indian recipes. So, are you ready to dive into the world of Indian cooking? First up, we have the universally loved butter chicken. Start by marinating the chicken in a blend of Indian spices. Then cook it in a rich, creamy sauce made from butter and cream. Voila! Your butter chicken is ready to be served. Next, we delve into the heart of North India with Chole Bhature. This delicious dish starts with soaked chickpeas, cooked until tender. A dough of flour is then fried to puffy perfection. Indian spices bring it all together, creating a symphony of flavors. Enjoy your Chole Bhature with a side of pickles and yogurt. Moving southwards, we have the ever-popular Masala Dosa. This savory delight is created by a smooth blend of soaked rice and lentils. The stuffing, a hearty mix of sautéed potatoes and aromatic Indian spices, adds the defining touch. Your crispy masala dosa is ready to eat. Now, let's explore the royal flavors of biryani. Start with basmati rice and your choice of meat. Marinate the meat in a blend of aromatic spices. Layer the meat and partially cooked rice, then let it simmer. Serve your biryani hot and enjoy its rich flavors. And that's a quick tour of the Indian culinary landscape. We've explored the savory butter chicken, the piquant chole bhature, the inviting masala dosa, and the aromatic biryani. But remember, these are just a taste of India's vast culinary repertoire. So go ahead and try these recipes to experience the diverse and unique flavors of Indian cuisine. Happy cooking!